In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the Save Vehicle mod in GTA 5 to store and spawn your favorite cars anytime in story mode. Check my video description for this mod link. I click on the scripthook5.net and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Select this last two file and first two file, drag and drop inside a web game folder. Replace file in the destination. Then go back, open the script hook 5, select the bin, script hook 5, and then put 8.dll, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Open this flyer vehicle save. Again, open the folder, drag and drop the scripts inside of a game folder. And open this 11 UI. Open this shpdn3. Open the scripts, drag and drop these three files inside scripts. And now you can launch the game. And now I show you guys how to save the cars. Get in the car that you want to save and press in keyboard T in the keyboard, and using the up arrow and down arrow choose this current vehicles, and using the press enter key, track vehicle, just select the track vehicle using enter key. And now as you can see the vehicle added to the track. Press the backspace to close this phone, and now place the car you want to park. Once you park the car, as you can see, press E to lock the car. Press E, and now the car is locked. Same way I did it for this all cars. Press escape key and go to maps. You can see all the cars in this place. Total 3, 4, 5 cars in here. To ride one of these cars, you need to go in here and press E to unlock the car, and you can get in and ride. This way you can save any cars you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.